Beasts on wheels, massive payloads, mountain trials. Prepare for an epic shoot that defies gravity, where logging trucks roar up impossible slopes with sheer horsepower and unyielding endurance. This is not just transport. It's a battle of steel, will, and raw torque. With the Bobcat E35, even the mightiest Stump becomes just another challenge. It grips, it twists, it lifts, inch by inch. And in the quiet battle between steel and root, the tree finally surrenders. His limits, and when strength fails, he turns to machines. Not just for power, but to guide the fall of giants with precision only the mind can command.
Piotrek, nie wchodź do hydrauliki, czekaj. O, idzie. Idzie, do klina.
Had relied on strength alone, those logs would still be lying in the valley. But he called upon the power of the Kern 30T, a beast born of steel and precision, and the mountain obeyed. They looked sharp, the gear was right, the team was ready. But one wrong move, and the treetop came down hard. Because in this game, muscle isn't enough. Experience decides who walks away.
There's no way that was safe.
sharp. The gear was right. The team was ready. But one wrong move, and the treetop came down hard. Because in this game, muscle isn't enough. Genius, really. 2 pulleys, one on each side of the branch. So when it drops, it doesn't thrash. It glides, controlled, safe. That's not just cutting trees, that's engineering.
No.
Man alone can't do it. Machine alone can't think. But together, even giants fall. No tree, no matter how ancient, can resist the perfect union of brain and brawn. Blade was too short. Most would have stopped. But not him. He carved the trunk down, made the giant smaller, and then he cut through like it was nothing. It doesn't chop, it devours. Where the M650 moves, trees vanish, reduced to clouds of sawdust, a true wood-eating beast. Nothing clears land like this. Small, but don't be fooled. The L70F lifts like a beast, steady, strong, unshaken. Size means nothing when power is built right. One machine, 2 jobs. The 6,000 cuts and splits in a single move. Fast, fierce, flawless. No extra labor, no wasted time, just raw, relentless productivity. Free or small, it doesn't matter. This beast crushes all. Splinters fly, dust rains, power doesn't explain. It shows. The 1110G was stuck, mud deep, wheels buried, but it wasn't alone. One by one, the others came, steel pulling steel. Because out here, no machine gets left behind. You've just witnessed the raw power of green technology in action. But the challenges never stop, and neither do we. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and follow us so we can keep bringing you the most powerful stories from the logging frontier.